Homeowner Insurance Basics. Homeowners insurance provides financial protection against disasters. It is a package policy, which means that it covers both damage to property and liability or legal responsibility for any injuries and property damage or their families caused to other people. This includes damage caused by household pets. Damage caused by most disasters is covered, but there are exceptions. Standard homeowner policies do not cover flooding, earthquakes, or poor maintenance. The National Food Insurance Program NFIP and form a few private insurance. Earthquake coverage is available either in the form of an endorsement or as a separate policy. Most maintenance related problems are the homeowner's responsibility. A standard homeowner insurance policy includes four essential types of coverage. They include coverage for the structure of the home. This part of policy pays to repair or rebuild a home if it is damaged or destroyed by fire, hail, lightning, or other disasters listed in the policy. It will not pay for damage caused by a flood, earthquake, or routine wear and tear. Most standard policies also cover structures that are not attached to a house, such as a garage, tools, and or gazebo. Generally, these structures are covered for about 10% of the total amount of insurance on the structure of the home. Coverage for personal belongings, furniture, clothes, sports, equipments, and other personal items are covered if they are stolen or destroyed by fire, hurricane, or other insured disasters. Most companies provide coverage for 50 to 70% of the amount of insurance on the structure of a home. This part of policy includes of premium coverage. This means that belongings are covered anywhere in the world unless the policy unless the policyholders has decided against of premises coverage. Expenses items like jewelry, funds, and silverwares are covered, but there are usually dollars limited if they are stolen. To ensure these items to their full values, individuals can purchase a special personal property endorsement or fluttered and insured the item for its appraised value. Trees, plants, and shrubs are also covered under standard homeowners insurance, generally up to about $500 per item. Parts covered uh, are theft, fire, lightning, explosions, riot, and even falling aircraft. They are not covered for damage by wind or disease. Insurance basis. Homeowner insurance. Liability protection. Liability coverage protection against the cost of lawsuits for bodily injury or property damage that policyholder or families member cause to other people. It also pays for damage caused by pets. The liability portion of the policy pays for both the cost of defending the policyholder in court and any court awards up to the limit of the policy. Coverage is not just in home but extend to anywhere in the world. Liability limits generally start at about $1 lakh. However, experts recommended that homeowner purchase at least 30 lakh worth of protection. An umbrella or excess liability policy which provides broad coverage including claims for libel and slanders as well as higher liabilities limit can be added to the policy. Generally, umbrella police costs between $200 to $350 for 1 millionaire of additional liability protection.